Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by rehydrating the twists so the hair relaxes without snapping. Lightly mist or apply leave-in conditioner until about 30 to 50% damp. Next, divide and clip 1 to 2 inch rows. This keeps the process controlled and prevents new tangles. Use a small amount of oil on the ends to lubricate. Once done, position a towel under the section and prepare your wide-tooth comb and detangling brush so you can move from ends to roots smoothly. You now work each clipped section. Hold the twist at the root to stop pulling on the scalp, then carefully unwind toward the ends, wrapping hair back to its natural fall. When you hit a knot, pause, add a little water or oil, use your fingers to loosen the tangle, and only then resume combing. Make sure to comb from the ends upward slowly. This reduces stress on the hair shaft. Once a section is fully released, smooth with brush and set aside, repeating systematically. You finish by applying a light leave-in or a few drops of oil to seal moisture and define the shape, then style with fingers or a low-heat diffuser for controlled volume. Trim any obvious split ends only after everything is fully released. If a stubborn mat won't budge, reapply conditioner, cover overnight with a plastic cap, and gently work it the next day. If damage or tight mats remain, make sure to consult a professional stylist to avoid unnecessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.